Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Apologies, still our technical problem is not sorted out, so video may be coming this week, this evening. Today we have to do audio podcast only. Yesterday US markets were closed and Asian markets are falling. I think there is some data from Japan not very good. And anyway, Japan and India are the two markets which are looking extremely bullish for the last few days. Though Asian markets and Europe and US are consolidating, and India and Japan are the two markets which are moving leaps and bounds. And yesterday, who would have thought Nifty would close 200 point higher? And yesterday there was no trigger. At least on Friday, Infosys and TCS results were the trigger. Yesterday there was nothing. So, however, GIFT Nifty indicating about 40-50 point gap down by looking at the global cues. But let me tell you, at this point of time, global cues is not very important and local cues are very, very important. And although markets are at all-time high and 400 point rally in just two trading sessions, uh, you know, nothing can be said. Only the corporate results will decide the market direction. 25% of the weightage of Nifty comes only from two stocks, HDFC Bank and Reliance, and both of them are declaring the results today. And the most heavy weight, roughly about 15% weightage, is only HDFC Bank, and that will be declaring the results during the market hours, probably. Because we don't know the exact timing, but usually they used to come out with the results in Saturday afternoon. This time they're coming result today. We don't know whether they'll come during market hours or after market hours. So therefore, particularly Bank Nifty, today all like Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, all will be jittery ahead of the HDFC Bank results. And looking at the broader picture, I think the markets are in the very, very short term, it seems to be overbought. Yesterday, first time FIAs have bought for more than 1,000 crore and the domestic institutions have turned the table around. They've sold for 820 crore. So this is the first time the domestic institutions are booking a good amount of profit. So the profit booking may continue. If the profit booking comes, the markets may fall even if there is a good result from HDFC Bank. So even today, I read a report in CNBC, not CNBC India, so it's a CNBC global website. So that India market is priced to perfection and may not rise much from here because market has already shot up. How much? In the November and December, in just 2 months alone, Nifty has already shot up nearly 15%. Uh, Usually, ahead of the parliament election, uh, Nifty usually rally about 15 to 18%, and that is almost done already. But we have a long way to go for parliament election. However, option prices are not telling the same. Option prices are telling a different story. Look at December option, 27,000 call option, trading so actively. So who are the people who are buying this 27,000 call option when the market is trading around 22,000? That too, which has already shot up nearly 3,000, 4,000 point in the last 2 months. That is the kind of bullishness. Call premiums are shooting up, but put premiums are not coming down. So that's why the IVs are shooting up for long-term options. So anyway, we are not worried about the long term. We are only worried about the short term as traders. So looking at the open interest, so we have three more trading sessions. I think 20,200 should be the resistance, as I told you in the Dalal Street Week Ahead program. But however, a good result from HDFC Bank can change the things around. So, because if HDFC Bank moves by 10 rupees, Bank Nifty has the potential to move about 200 points, and then Nifty has the potential to move 60, 70 points. So, if any, a blockbuster result from HDFC Bank, the markets can break out. But by looking at the global cues at this point of time, so things are not really looking that good, and people are expecting some retail sales data also from US, but they are not expecting anything big. And in fact, since January 1, the global markets are not going anywhere. And January 1, they started the profit booking. So that continues until now. So there is no meaningful recovery in the global markets. But only two markets, as I said earlier, is Japan and India. Both are moving very, very high. So, uh, moving against the global trend is dangerous, because as and when something happens, the reversal can be very, very fast. And just because of that reason only, put premiums are not coming down while call premiums are going higher, because people who sold call options earlier, they are just putting the stop loss and they are coming out. So, broadly speaking, Nifty should trade between 22,000 and 22,200, and with a bearish bias. And, HDFC Bank results will be a key trigger. And, so that has to be, because this is the first bank also. So, even the entire Bank Nifty will be in jitter mode today. So US markets, four banks results came. It was a mixed bag. Some more banks will be coming out with results today and tomorrow. Even some regional banks will also be coming. So all over the world. So it is the banking stocks that will be in focus. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.